Imagine a Jaguar that doesn't just look into the future, but feels like it was pulled straight from it. And that's exactly what the all-new Jaguar Type 00 concept sets out to deliver. So before we dive in, here's a quick 30-second hook. The Jaguar Type 00 is the brand's boldest electric statement Evora 956 horsepower, art-inspired electric Grand Tour built on an all-new EV architecture. Designed with dramatic butterfly doors, massive 23-inch single-piece milled aluminum wheels, and a sculptural body intended to reposition Jaguar as a luxury design-first automaker, signaling a total break from traditional gasoline sports cars and SUVs. With nearly 500 miles of range planned for the production model, and an interior that blends modern minimalism with handcrafted sophistication, making this one of the most anticipated electric cars of the decade. Now, let's get into the full breakdown here on Gravity Automotive. The Jaguar Type 00 concept car is more than a futuristic prototype. It represents Jaguar's official rebirth, launching a new design identity focused on flamboyant surfaces, sharp architectural lines, and a wide planted stance that makes the car feel like a piece of kinetic art even when parked. The sleek silhouette of the Type 00 stretches long and low, with a dramatic nose that flows seamlessly into a sculpted cabin, while the rear end features a taper that visually compresses the car for an athletic yet elegant presence, ensuring the Type 00 stands out in the growing field of high-performance electric Grand Tourers. Those 23-inch wheels, crafted from a single billet of aluminum, aren't just a design flex. They contribute to rigidity, aggressive aerodynamics, and reduced weight, while the butterfly-style doors create a cinematic entry that reinforces the concept's art-forward philosophy. Built on the new Jaguar Electric Architecture, or JEA platform, the Type 00 is engineered to support ultra-high-performance EV powertrains, long-range battery systems, advanced cooling channels, and future autonomous driving capabilities. Jaguar has confirmed that the concept version of the Type 00 delivers a massive 956 horsepower, pushing power directly to all four wheels through a single-speed transmission that ensures torque is instant, relentless, and smooth, with performance expected to rival or outperform electric Super GTs from brands like Porsche, Lotus, and Lucid. While Jaguar hasn't yet dropped 0 to 60 numbers, early engineering predictions suggest acceleration comfortably in the low to second range, making it one of the quickest cars the brand has ever created. The 456-mile range of the concept represents the capabilities of the prototype battery pack, but Jaguar's production version is expected to push closer to 500 miles per charge, thanks to refinements in aerodynamics, thermal management, and next-gen battery density enhancements. Charging speeds are expected to match or surpass today's 350 kWh fast charging networks, allowing the Type 00 to replenish most of its range in under 20 minutes. When connected to a high-power charger, one of the most significant elements of the Type 00 project is Jaguar's strategic shift. The company is ending its historic era of gasoline and hybrid performance models, including its iconic F-Type and traditional SUV, in favor of becoming an exclusively electric luxury manufacturer by the end of the decade. This concept is the first real look at Jaguar's upcoming design language, more artistic, more emotional, and more aligned with boutique luxury brands instead of mass-market manufacturers. Inside, the Type 00 embraces a cabin philosophy that combines clean minimalism with refined craftsmanship, using sustainable materials, leather alternatives, and metallic accents shaped to echo the architectural style of the exterior. The interior layout offers a low driver's seating position, a floating center, console, ambient lighting, a panoramic glass canopy, and a digital cockpit that minimizes clutter while emphasizing elegance and ease of use. Jaguar's next-generation infotainment system is expected to integrate haptic controls, AI-assisted personalization, and seamless smartphone-like responsiveness to reduce driver distraction while delivering an intuitive interface. Safety features will likely include Jaguar's newest suite of driver assistance technologies: adaptive highway assist, predictive collision avoidance using real-time hazard mapping, autonomous parking, cross-traffic exit alerts, and high-definition augmented reality navigation. While the Type 00 concept is fully electric and represents a clean break from combustion engines, Jaguar has clarified that no hybrid or gasoline versions of the Type 00 are planned. as the company is fully committed to its electric-exclusive future platform. In terms of pricing, early industry projections estimate a starting price between $180,000 and $240,000 USD once the production model arrives, depending on final battery size, performance tuning, and customization options, placing the Type 00 in the same ultra-luxury electric GT category as the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, Lotus Emeya, and Mercedes-AMG EV GT models. Jaguar has officially stated that the full production reveal is set for 2026, with deliveries expected to begin shortly after, positioning the Type 00 as a centerpiece of Jaguar's new era. What makes this moment significant for Gravity Automotive and car enthusiasts everywhere is that the Type 00 isn't just another concept. It's a declaration of identity, a design lead movement, and a promise that Jaguar's electric future will be nothing short of dramatic, powerful, and iconic, capturing the emotion of grand touring while reinventing what a luxury EV can stand for. Whether you're here for the design, the performance, the engineering, or just the spectacle of a brand reinventing itself, the Jaguar Type 00 is a car worth watching as the EV landscape transforms. And as always, Gravity Automotive will keep following every update as Jaguar shapes this artistic new chapter in electric mobility.